run off too? You better call me back. I'm not playing with you. Call me back.
Fuck.
Hello there.
Fuck you get in here, you crazy looking motherfucker.
That gold didn't even belong to the one you stole it from.
Listen, don't hurt me. I have nothing to do with this. Leprechaun. Goddamn crackers. Always breaking into niggas' houses.
You have such a nice smile. Say ah.